Welcome back to our generator assembly series. In the last episode, we showed how we precisely installed the bearings and seals. Now, we are moving on to the more intricate assembly process. At this stage, the engine casing is carefully secured by our technicians onto the automated assembly line platform, ensuring it stays stable and ready for the next steps. After the casing is secured, the engine moves into the waiting area. Here, it will await the precise action of the robotic arm, getting ready for the next crucial step in the assembly process. The robotic arm begins its work, flipping the engine casing over. This action is critical, ensuring the casing is perfectly positioned for the installation of the crankshaft and piston. Once flipped, the casing moves to the next workstation, where our skilled technicians carefully install the crankshaft and connecting rods into the engine, ensuring precise alignment. Next, the technicians take the piston, carefully inspect it for any defects, and ensure it meets our rigorous standards before moving on to the lubrication process. After the inspection, special lubricating oil is carefully applied to the piston to ensure optimal lubrication and smooth installation. The lubricated piston is then expertly installed into the engine casing, laying a solid foundation for the engine's future operation. With all the critical components now installed, the technicians move into the final internal calibration stage, ensuring each part fits perfectly and functions smoothly together. Every step is filled with innovation and precision, ensuring that each generator performs at its best, delivering excellent quality and reliability. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the making of our world-class generators.